सिद्धांत सरस्वती विजयते गौरीय गोष्ठीपति वंदे गुरुपद्वंद्वं भक्तबिंदसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्य प्रभुं वंदे नित्यानंद सहोदितं श्रीनंदनंदनं वंदे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं बिन्दावनं मनोहरम् वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयतिगिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। बिन्दावै तुलसीदेव वै पिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिपदे देवी सत्त्ववत्त्वयि नमो नमः। नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयो मुदीरये। संकीर्तने कृष्ण कथोपदेशे गौरीयपत्रस्य प्रकाशने च सदानुरक्त गुरुभक्तियुक्तो भक्तिप्रमोदाक्ष जगोद्वरुन् धैर्यं सदा परिभवग्नमविष्टदोहं तीर्थास्पदं शिवविरञ्चनुतं शरण्यं भीत्तात्तिहं पुनतपाल्भवद्दिपूतं वन्दे महापुरुषते चरणारविन्दं यत्पादपल्लवनखचन्दमनिच्छटाय विस्फुरिजित किमपि गववधू स्वदर्शि पूर्णानुरागरससागरसारमूर्ति साराधिकामयि कदा कृपां करोसि। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तबिंद श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तबिंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। आजानुलंबित भुजौ कनकाबदातु संकीर्तने कपितरौ कमलायताक्षो विशाम्बरौ द्विजवरौ जुगधर्मपालौ वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरौ करुणाभतारो। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। नमामि गंगे तव पादपङ्कजं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितो दिव्यरूपं भुक्तिं च मुक्तिं च ददासि नित्यं भावानुरूपेण सदा नरानं। गंगातरङ्गरमणीयजटाकलापं गौरी निरन्तरविभूषिः त्ववां भागं नारायणो प्रियमनङ्गमदापहारं वाराणसीपुरपति अजवीशनाथं वागीशजुष्वदने लक्ष्मीर्यस्य च भक्षसि यस्यास्ति हृदय संवित् त्वं सिंहमहं भजे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नाम संकीर्तनम यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनम pranam duksha shamanam tang namami harim param. Nam sankirtanam yasho sarva papa panasanam pranam duksha shamanam tang namami harim param. Gauriya Goshtipati, Sri Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that we are all infinitesimal particle, chit particle, jivatma. Countless jivas are there, infinity. How we can get in contact with the Supreme Lord? It is next to impossible. Gauriya Goshtipati, Sri Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that we are all infinitesimal jivatma and Bhagavan is Vibhu Vastu. Hari Ananta, Hari Rupa Ananta. How we can get in contact with Bhagavan is next to impossible. It's not possible at all. That's why Bhagavan coming down here to allow us some opportunity so that we can get in contact with Supreme Lord Bhagavan. Dham, Nam, Parikar, Vaishishto, Sadhguru, Vaishnava, all different form. Prabhupada given one example, like sun god is there in the sky. We like to make one nice relationship with Bhagavan. But Bhagavan is not visible. We cannot see with his material eyes. How we can make relationship? Where to go? We don't know. That's why most of us expressing doubt. But in Vedanta Sutta already it is written, Bhagavan is visible. Bhagavan you can see, but by aprakito netro. Premanjana churita netro. Bhakti vilochanena. Santo sadaiva hedesu vilokayanti. Yang sam sundaram achinta gun sarvam govindamadi purusam. Premanjana churita bhakti vilochanena. With these eyes you cannot see. You will have to grow prema, tremendous prema. After that, you can open your eyes, you can see clearly Bhagavan is there. Now you cannot see. So you will have to get maturity. Then you can say someday. Like in morning time or when we are doing Gayatri Mantra, First mantra I cannot say because common people are there, those who are not initiated, many. There it is written, Tad Vishrum Paramam Padam Sada Pashyanti Surayo Divibhu Chakshuratatam. That first mantra we should not speak openly, but everybody is speaking now. Even in mic. Those idiots, they are playing Gayatri Mantra in the mic. Whereas it is very secret. Everybody should not hear it. So, Tad Vishnum Paramam Tad Padam Sada Pashyanti Surayo Divivo Chakshuratatam. Those Rishi Manis or those pure sadhus, they are watching that Supreme Lord, I mean the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord all the time, without any interruption. Without any interruption, they are continuously watching. Not that for 5 minutes there is some drop, after 5 minutes taking 2 hours rest, after, not that. While they are walking, doing anything, all the time they can see the lotus feet of Supreme Lord. That is called aprakita darshan. We will have to grow this kind of darshan, so that there cannot be any interruption. Always we can see. So, with Premanjana Charita Bhakti Vilocana, with Prem Netra, we will have to do bhajan. Finally, the mantra given by Gurudev can come true in our life. Come true in the sense, mantra can show that mantra, whatever mantra you give, the mantra can show the sarup. I mean the object that mantra means can clarify in front of you. In course of doing that mantra, day by day positively, that mantra can appear own sarup. Bhagavan can appear with his own sarup. If whole life you are doing mantra, but the mantra artha you must know, most of the people, they have no idea about this. Whenever we are doing mantra, 5 different things should be clarified. 5 different things. Mantra artha, mantra dhyan, mantra nyas, and Bhagavan surely can protect us. Palan, all different kind of 5. This way we will have to do mantra, otherwise mantra cannot give perfect result. With full purity, mantra dhyan, mantra nyas, mantra archajintar, mantra adhidevata, all you will have to. Bhagavan can protect me, Bhagavan can help me all the way. All you will have to think all the time. Then with this full faith, you will have to do. This color, 5 different procedures you have to adopt while doing mantra. Be it Mahamantra or other mantra. And always try to think, though material thinking is not allowed, but still by the mercy of Guru Kripa, you try to think, suppose you are doing Nityananda mantra, try to see the Dhamesa Nityananda. Whenever you are chanting Gaura mantra, try to concentrate on. You can yourself understand your bhajan is going right direction or wrong direction. How? You can see all the picture of Gurudev, Vaishnava, Prabhupada, all clear. Full clear. You need not go to Jagannath temple to push, dash. You can see Jagannath there, clearly. Clearly. Not that if one man going there to watch Jagannath, practically he is watching to watch. But more than that, you can clearly see. Then you can understand you are moving towards right direction. If your conception is hazy, even you cannot concentrate on Prabhupada, then you see you are moving wrong direction. Opposite direction you are. Your bhajan is not perfect. You will have to concentrate. This way, Tad Vishnum Paramam Patam Sada Pasanti Suroyod Vibho Chakshuratam. Our darshan, Gauriya darshan means continuous darshan. Continuous darshan is our Gauriya darshan. Gauriya darshan means always crying where you are. Always crying, feeling some pain. I cannot meet with Bhagavan. Always some sort of pain must be there. That's when you are interested to do Hari Bhajan, you have grown some love affair with Bhagavan, all these things. So, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Prabhupada speaking, can be compared with Chit Surjo. Bhaktivinoda Thakur also writing in Jaiva Dharma and other places. But anyway, we like to make relationship with Bhagavan, but we cannot see Bhagavan. We cannot meet with Bhagavan. We can grow relation with our children, son, mother, father, we can. But how to make relation? That is the main question. That's why we need to help. We need to take the help of Guru Vaishnava. They can help you. And Diksha itself, this meaning of Diksha means to grow your relationship with Bhagavan. Sambandha Gyan is a vast chapter, but in gist I would like to say, Sambandha Gyan means to realize who is Guru Padma. Sambandha Gyan means to realize who is Bhagavan, why I can do Bhagavan, what benefit I can get. Because people are very commercial. Why? Why I can do it? What I can get? Always this. So they must realize what is the benefit you are going to get. Otherwise you cannot. Otherwise you cannot do. So, from Guru Padma we can get Sambandha Gyan. And if the Sambandha Gyan is perfect, known to you, you already realize, then your duty can be ascertained. Suppose this is your son. You need not speak, oh mother, get ready. You give prasad, give food. You need not speak. It's an automatic. It's my son. I have to do. Whenever relationship is, you can realize, then automatically your duty can be ascertained. Automatically. It's an automatic factor. One mother need not read books, how to take care of son. Let me see, oh, this time I have to give milk, this time this is not there. Automatic. Affection there. Out of affection, she is going to take step so that my children, my boy can become healthy, nice this. Similarly, if you grow relationship with Guru Vaishnava and Bhagavan, then automatically you can understand your duty, you will have to serve Bhagavan. Otherwise you cannot. That's why in Kirtan it is written, Sambandha janiya bhajite bhajite abhiman have dur. If Sambandha Gyan is not grown, what kind of Diksha you took from Gurudev? If Sambandha Gyan is not there, then what kind of Diksha you have taken? So-called Diksha, perfect Diksha, actual Diksha, there is infinity difference. This way, Prabhupada speaking, Bhagavan were long distance. Like Prabhupada giving one example, Sun God. Sun God is there. If you can calculate what is the distance of that Sun God from this earth, if you calculate, you can see. You can understand how long distance. Mars, Venus, all they have particular distance. How much distance? Oh my gods. Moon God. So if you calculate, you can go mad. What is the arrangement of Bhagavan? You think out that Sun God is placed there, in such a place, so that we can get some optimum temperature to lead our life. Sun God there. If Sun God gone too far from that distance, whatever distance arranged by Bhagavan, if Sun God going too far, then we can die. Sunlight cannot come. And the whole world become a piece of ice. A piece, total, undivided piece. Ice. What will happen? If Sun God going to vanish from this particular place where the Sun God is placed at present, then we cannot live. Impossible, because Sun God is giving us life. No Sun God means no life. But we are not gratitude. We are not expressing our gratitude. We are not expressing gratitude to the Moon God, Sun God. No! Why? Moon God giving Amrita. Night time, the sun and a moon God giving some light, and all herbs and trees, they are getting Amrita. After that, you are taking fruits and flowers, herbs, everything. So they are helping. Vayu Devata, blowing air. This way, Sun God, Moon God, Air God, Water God, but we are not going to express any gratitude to anybody. We think it's automatic it is. What automatic? What automatic? What do you mean by automatic? That's why Bhagavan told in Gita, you can also respect them. Of course, Bhagavan finally told, if you grow love unto my Lord, if you respect me, that is fine. what I told by tree. If you give water, that's different. But usually in the preliminary stage, you will have to give respect to everybody. Even I told you, Devrin, Rishirin, Devrin, Pittirin, Bhutarin, I told you, na? Even those insects, they are under mud. Mud, they are not some insect. They are also helping us. How and why, that I can explain, it will take time. Scientific procedure. If there is no insect inside mud, big problem will be there. They are also our friend, doing something. So all ecology, there is one nice, excellent ecological balance going on. Ecological balance going on. But man making problem and going to invite big danger in their own life. Man making problem. Those who are animal, they are not making problem. They are driven by natural instinct, whatever they need. But man, there is no bound, there is no end of their desire. A man, if he is going to fulfill one desire, then another desire fulfilled, third desire, fourth desire, infinite desire. You can never get satisfaction because your mind is full of desire, demand, desire. When you can get satisfaction? Sukham asti viraktasya munir ekanta jivina. Nacha indrasya sukham kinchinna sukham chakravartinaha sukham asti viraktasya munir ekanta jivina. No satisfaction there if you search the heavenly planet controlling Indra Maharaj, the king of heaven, he is not satisfied. You show me one man in the world, be it Ronald Reagan or Keith, whatever, they already maybe die or living, Kennedy, whatever, they die. Nobody never, they were not satisfied. Satisfaction was not there. Always dissatisfaction, burning heart. Kamana vasana, burning heart. So, in Shastra, it is written, even you cannot find satisfaction with the king of the heavenly planet. Or in a chakra, at present it is divided, different political leaders they are controlling. But previously there was king. King system was practical. So, it is written that any king who is going to enjoy the full, complete sovereignty all over the world, but still is not satisfied. Give an example, Nahus, Goy, who? Nobody was satisfied. They're getting this, okay, I need more. This will be, no, I need more. British imperialists, they also like to increase. They had controlling over India, Africa, apartheid, a problem, their agitation started, break, fighting, after the salvation. It was the policy, they can get control over whole world. These. A sign, nice policy. So they are not satisfied. Nobody is satisfied. Even a small boy, not satisfied. He demands this. Maybe his demand is small. Everybody. So, nacha indrasya sukham kinchinna sukham chakravartinaha sukham asti viraktasya munir ekanta jivana. Who is a great sadhu, pure sadhu, Muni-rishis, they are concerned in Bhagavan, they have no dissatisfaction. If you look at their eyes, you can find calm and quiet. Not even ice cold. Ice cold is very common material example. Koti chanda sisitala. Nitai charana kamala koti chanda susitala. The lotus feet of Nityananda, if you hold on that Nityananda lotus feet on head or here, you can find crores of moon god cannot give this kind of soothing feeling. So nice. My Guru Padma, he was so lucky to take the lotus feet of the Prabhupada when he was sick, in manifesting sick Leela. Prabhupada sitting in a half chair, Then Guru Padma was coming, Prabhupada closed his eyes, taking the lotus feet and touching here. He told me about the practical experience. What was the feeling? What was the feeling after catching the lotus feet in the chest? Ah, so nice. I also got, but I cannot speak it is very secret thing, I cannot speak. I jump up. So cool feeling, Baap re Baap. So nice, but it's prohibited. So this way, Koti Chanda Susital, you can feel. Moon god giving, sun god giving, all facilities. But we are not grateful. Only those who are sadhu, inside the heart of Guru Vaishnava or great, Sadhu Guru Vaishnava, they are always thinking about the lotus feet of Bhagavan. That's why there is no dissatisfaction in their life. Always they are satisfied. Dissatisfaction is the cause of your dissatisfaction. Demand is the cause of your dissatisfaction. Same thing, Pingala, Indian. They are also so. Same thing speaking. If there is karma, there is dissatisfaction. No karma, no dissatisfaction. So, sun god, Prabhupada speaking, sun god is there. We are getting optimum temperature so that he can maintain our life. If sun god is vanished from his own place, then we can die. Immediately we can die. If sun god coming too near to this earth, then big problem. We can, everywhere the scorchy sunlight can burn up everything. Even within the range of lakhs of miles, if one satellite we send, made of platinum, melting point very high, within the lakhs of kilometers, then the sun god, then the aircraft, vaporize. Vaporize. So now you know the fission and fusion reaction going on inside. That's why never you can find the sun god is cooled down. Fission and fusion, all is going on. What is atomic plant we can see this way. So Prabhupada speaking, it is the highness of Bhagavan who is going to give us the scope so that we can lead our life very smoothly. It is the highness of Bhagavan. Bhagavan going to place the sun god in such a place. Okay, in winter season we are going to sunlight. Ah, nice. Or sunbath in foreign country everywhere. Sunbath. They are taking. All while they are doing next to nothing. Vagabond. Very nice health. What you can do with health? If there is no Krishna bhajan. This way, Prabhupada speaking, Bhagavan is so merciful, he himself coming in the form of Krishna, Ram, Nish. This is very nice. And going, just like human being, going to speak, you are my father, mother, son, friend, gopikas, all nice. Bhagavan giving us a scope. This way, we are growing our nice relationship with Bhagavan, and we can get the sense of relationship, Sambandha Gyan, from Guru Vaishnava Bhagavan, and Sambandha Gyan is okay. Now Sambandha Gyan, I am established in Sambandha Gyan, then automatically Avidya means what to do. The duty, your duty can be answered. Automatically. It's one kind of driving force. Mother coming, father coming, all long time, meeting with children, oh, so much love this. This way, material relationship has this kind of power. One time in Hindi Harikatha in Punjab, one time I told in a joking mood, I told, what kind of magic spell is there? There is no bondage there, no rope, no chain, but what kind of bondage is there so that you are running at home? Why? What honey there in the home? I told to those Punjabi people, I told to the Punjabi people, what kind of bondage is there? Unknown bondage. So they are bound to go to wife, bound to go to mother, father. Why? What kind of? That bondage you cannot see. That bondage you cannot see. You are bound to go, running there, original place. You are coming for a few days. After that, immediately fly and go away. What he can do with Baba? What he can give? Money? No. This is the condition. Bondage is there. So, Bhagavan, out of his causeless mercy, going to give us nice scope so that we can make relationship with Bhagavan and we can do seva, and that is the only way by the help of which we can go ahead. I mean, ultimately we can get our entry into Golokdham or Gokul, what you say, Vaikuntha Dham, this way. On those days, I was discussing about how even without knowing the Sarupa of Bhagavan, they don't know. They're not educated. But they love Krishna. Very low tribal lady. They have no knowledge. No, you cannot speak Harikatha. But I don't know what is the reason for why I love Bhagavan. Automatically. In that case, Bhagavan speaking, even usually we need to know Tattva Gyan. Because Siddhanta bolia chitte na karo alas, iha hoite Krishne lage sudhira manos. Siddhanta is very headache, Maharaj. I need to think these are big headache. Better we can do only Kirtan. But Siddhanta we must know. Because if you know Siddhanta, then you can, you can grow more and more interest and you can go to rigidity unto a lotus feet of Krishna. But it is also possible, some uneducated, we have seen, are totally uneducated. No idea. I don't know, according to previous Sukriti or what, says no, not educated. What education was there with Banshidas Babaji Maharaj? What education was there with Bhagavan Das Babaji Maharaj? What education was there with Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj? What education is there with Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj? So they are playing with Bhagavan all the time. They are watching Bhagavan. Whereas no educational, they have not done any PhD, FRCS, London, this and nothing. Only this degree. What degree? That is the topmost degree in the infinity world. That is called devotee, devotion. This title is the topmost. Bhakta. So this way, even without knowing Tattva also is possible. But it's very rare. Many devotees started fighting with me regarding one Siddhanta. What this? And so, it is written, Diksha Purascharan Vidhi Apekshana Kare Nam Loite Osudhar Bhai. When a Diksha Purascharan, no need. Only Krishnanam can give the highest benefit. And now people say, so why we can take Diksha, Maharaj? You already told this. And what I told? What I told? Well, you told? Yes, I told, no. Actually, it is written in Shastra, I told. So, how we can harmonize? We cannot take any Diksha. We can do Hare Krishna, we can do, okay, you can do. But actually, point is that Diksha is a must, is a must, is a must. Without Diksha, you cannot go further. Raghunath Das Gosai already told, Guru goste gosta layesu bhugani bhusuragani samantreshi namani. This one. Guru goste gosta layesu bhugani bhusuragani samantreshi namni. Samane samantro. You will have to take mantra, Diksha. And Guru, Vaishnava, you have to take. Brajavasis, all you have. You cannot avoid. You cannot avoid. But also we can see, there is so many examples. Externally, there is no initiation of Parikshit Maharaj. Externally, no initiation of Prahlad Maharaj. But they are initiated. How? Because the theme, what is the inner meaning of that Diksha? What is, my question is that, what is the net outcome of Diksha? What is the net outcome of that Diksha? What you took? That is called Sambandha Gyan, loveful relations with Bhagavan. If that is already grown in Sabari, then what Diksha is waiting? What Diksha waiting for her? She is already growing Sambandha Gyan. That is an rare case. Parikshit Maharaj didn't take Diksha. But you must remember, when that demon, what is his name, who wanted to kill Asatthama, when wanted to, launch that missile, Brahmastra, then Uttara, she was pregnant, almost that missile going to kill that baby. Immediately Bhagavan Sri Krishna entered the womb and with club and wheel protecting. And that baby inside my mother's womb, he saw. Who is there? He could saw. There's one man with very Dibba Purus, effulgent there, going to protect. Who protected? That's why Vishnurat. His second name is Vishnurat. So Parikshit Maharaj, his case is totally different. Because even before taking Diksha, before taking birth, he got the darshan of Bhagavan. About whom, by checking the horoscope, all Rishimuni already told, he is a Mahabhagavat, whereas externally is not initiated. Prahlad Maharaj was not initiated, but he heard Bhagavad Tattva Vigyan from Naradji Maharaj while staying inside the womb of mother. So this is some rare case can be there. So those rare case you cannot accept as the usual procedure. Cannot accept. A rare case. Dhruva Maharaj with this body, same body. Dhruva Maharaj, you can, externally you can watch. Externally you can watch. Dhruva Maharaj with the same body going to climb the Dhruva path, how possible? Usually we know, everybody they need to leave body, after that they can aprakita the body, they can. But it's a rare case. Bhaktivinoda Swami, rare case. Same body. Dhruva Maharaj coming, and the chariot came, and inviting Dhruva Maharaj. And after that, Dhruva Maharaj going to climb the chariot, then some demon coming, hey, don't go! Then Dhruva Maharaj speaking, who are you? My name is Death. Nobody can transgress me. Oh, well, come. Then going to put one leg on the head of Death and going to climb the chariot and gone. Mittur, death, in the head, going to put leg and climb the chariot and gone. So that must not be, that should not be taken as usual procedure. Is their procedure. But we will have to take Diksha to purify us. Diksha is a must. Diksha, Shiksha Guru, Diksha, all. I am very lucky, my Shiksha Guru, Diksha Guru, Mantra Guru, all base Guru, all same. Of course I accepted many Shiksha Guru also, Baman Maharaj, Tito Maharaj, Bharti Maharaj, they are Shiksha Guru. I love them very much. They used to love me. So that is separate thing. Follow what I say. This way, we will have to be very careful. So, Mahamantra, what about this what I quote from Chaitanya, Diksha, Purascharan, Vidhi, Apeksha, no need of taking any Diksha routine. Bhaktivinoda Thakur speaking, it is very special case. Well, if by birth, you are growing attraction for Harinam, by birth, like the case of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, though he is Bhagavan, what this case example, automatically. Like the case of Prabhupada, by birth, taking birth with the scarred head and getting the garland of Jagannath, automatically garland of Jagannath fall down. This is rare case. Everybody cannot expect this kind of privilege, advantage. So, Bhaktivinoda was speaking, by chance, if somebody grow this kind of faith, firm faith, not that, unto the lotus feet of Harinam, complete faith, he can realize that Harinam and Hari non-different from each other. In that case, he need not take any Diksha, nothing. Follow what I say? Try to remember our Siddhanta. Only when you grow tremendous love, Hari Ram, Hari Krishna, ecstatic feeling. Due to some unknown reason, it is hidden long ago. What life, when, what you have done, who knows? Nobody knows. So if somebody growing this kind of tremendous attraction for Harinam, then he need not take Diksha, because really it is true that Harinam itself is complete. No need of it. It is true. Scientifically it is proved that Harinam itself is complete. So, in course of doing Harinam, all successful. Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking the same thing, that Satsange nahi daitya dat jatudhana mriga khagaha gandharvapsa apsaraso nagaha siddhas charana gujyakaha vidyadhara manusheshu vaishyaha srudraha stri antaya rajastama prakritiyos tasmin juge anagaha. They, Bhagavan speaking, not only human being, beasts and birds, Rakshas, or demons, all they, najane why, what's the reason? They automatically, they were successful to come to me. Of course, I can draw conclusion on this matter, otherwise everybody can sing, oh, one demon got the same position, then a devotee who was previously doing so many, same, not same. That I can draw conclusion after. Finally, you try to understand this point, that they are attaining the lotus feet of Bhagavan. But attainment of lotus feet of Bhagavan doesn't mean they're all same. Like one big Acharya is making a blunder mistake, is speaking that, is making a blunder mistake, he is speaking that Putana, she was successful to get the same rank like Jasodama. Blunder mistake. If we go to complain, they can kill us. Why you are speaking? They cannot prove. What a kind of foolish Siddhanta Vichar. Huh? Is it possible? Where is Putana? Where is Yasodhama? We are speaking, no, same rank. Not same rank. I think you are not initiated by any guru. That's why you are passing this kind of remark. You are not initiated. If you are initiated, how you are misled? How I am making this Siddhanta? It proves that you are not at all initiated. I can safely say with Bhagavatam. Not initiated. Initiation can, if initiation is there, how you can make this kind of foolish Siddhanta? Where is Putana? Rakshasi, Rudhirasana. Rakshasi, she came to kill Krishna. She can get the same position like Yasodhama, who is going to take Gopal in a lap and going to give breast milk. Same position. It cannot be so. So, I can try to draw conclusion. Is very important. Who, when, how, which way, got what position, that I can discuss. Draw conclusion. Satsange nahi daityaya yatu dhana megaha khagaha gandharva apsaraso nagaha siddhyas charano gujyakaha vidyadhara manuseshu vaishyaha shudraha striyo antayaha rajastama prakrtayus tasmin yugi anaga bahavo mat padam prapta trashto kaya dhavadayoho Vrishaparava valirvanamayaschato vibhishanaha Sugriva hanuman nikchok gajo griddhavaniko pataha Vyadaha kubja praje goppo yogya patnas tatha pare Tenadhita sutigana nopasita mahattamaha Abrata tapta tapasa satsangyat mam upagata. They never were initiated. They never gone to any Gurukul. They were not initiated, not initiated. They never gone through Vedanta, nothing. Foolish. Follow. So, no austerity of finances, nothing done. Not that they have done this, that, Brata, Upavas, no, nothing. They all were successful to reach my lotus feet only by the help of satsanga. Sadhu sanga, sarva sastre koi, lavamatto sadhu sange, sarva siddhi hoy. Sarva siddhi means, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Amrita Prabha Vasya, Chaitanya Chaitamrita commentary, Bhaktivinoda writing, what do you mean by sarva siddhi? What do you mean by sarva siddhi? Sarva siddhi means whatever siddhi you mean to say. And at the same time, the highest siddhi, Bhagavad Prema also you can get. Of course, it is not everybody, it depends upon the position. How best possible way satsanga was there. Satsanga is a very root cause of bhakti, for which you are trying. Krishna Bhaktir Janmamul Hoy Sadhu Sango. What? Krishna Bhaktir Janmamul Hoy Sadhu Sango. The very root cause of Krishna Bhakti is Sadhu Sangha. How you can avoid insult sadhu, ignore sadhu, try to prove they are fallen, idiot, rascal. How long you can do? So long you are maintaining your body. After that, you have to get punishment. Heavy punishment, severe punishment. Life after life, infinitely pure. So, Bhagavan speaking, Bahavo mat padam prapta trashto kaya dhavadayoho. Trashto means Vritrasur. Vittasur, at the time of death, who was Vittasur? Chittaketu Raja. Vittasur was Chittaketu. Hey, ki naam Chittaketu na? Chittaketu Raja, Vittasur. Due to some mistake, he took the form of Vittasur. This way, there was big problem. Vittasur was Chittaketu, nice. So many things there. So this way, he had to suffer, Vittasur. But Vittasur, though have taken this demon bird, a demon, Vittasur, Asur, but still he is having bhakti. Demon bhakti? Yes. Bhakti is the natural function of a soul. It can be there inside your heart in hidden form, externally, like Gajendra. Bhakti was there in hidden form, what he done previous life. Now, this way. Now remember, Vittasur giving warning to Indra. Try to remember. Vittasur giving warning to Indra. If you have no karma, if you have no attraction for this material world, then and only then you come and stand in front of me. I like to see your power. No chet gramma sukhe spriha. It is Sanskrit, try to realize. No chet gramma sukhe spriha mama agratishtato. If you have no material enjoyment mood, Kamini, Kancha and Prati, then you can come and stand. Otherwise you are coward. Go, fly. You cannot stand in front of. No chet gram. You see, to whom he is speaking? Indra. Come on, speaking. No chet gram sukhe spriya mama agratishtato. While leaving body, Indra from his hand, that weapon fall down. Indra hesitating to collect it. Hey, this is not the question of hesitation. You are now in fighting mood. Now take up that weapon. By the power of Vittasur, even the weapon from the hand of Vittasur fall down. No Vishada Kalaha. Get up, take up, fight with me. Finally speaking, the final missile, what you have, that is called, what is called? Vajra. That can never go in brain. You apply. I like to leave body and go to Bhagavan. Ajata pakshaipo mataram khaga stannam yata vassataram khudata piya piye babushitam vishanya manaha aravindaksha. Bhagavan, I like to see you. How one small bird small bird waiting for mother to come and give something. Chee, chee, chee in the nest. Small birds, very small. Crying, chee, chee, chee. Mother can come and give him something. Then water, fruits, whatever, grain. This way I am helpless. I am waiting for your help. Without you I cannot live. Vittasur speaking. Also Vittasur speaking, like one calf crying to, because out of that calf feeling appetite, very, very hungry. Due to hungry attitude, crying. When they can allow me to reach my mother and I can drink milk, they are not allowing. Small baby crying. And one heroine who is separated from hero for long time, material love, okay, still okay. Hero and heroine, they are separated from each other due to some reason, punishment given. Follow. That time, the hero crying, heroine crying. Love is love of passion. Love of passion. Whenever you are growing this kind of love, then inanimate object like cloud, you can give information to my lady love. Are requesting, cloud, I am feeling pain. You speak this message to my lady love. She must be crying at that. No, he said, love of passion. This way, Vrittasur, while living body, are crying, Bhagavan, I like to see you. You see. But still, the Vrittasur was successfully attending the lotus feet of Bhagavan. But surely not the same way as Gopikas they lotus. Not same way. It cannot be same. Separate. We must understand. Anyway, so, Trasto, I am speaking about Vrittasur, Kayadhu, Nandan, Kayadhavaha, mean Prahlad Maharaj, Vrisaparva. Prahlad Maharaj, you know, Prahlad Maharaj was successful to get the association of Naraji Maharaj, even when staying inside the womb, while staying. That was the reason, okay? Dhruva Maharaj got the association of Naraji Maharaj, Vrisaparva. After taking birth, he was thrown into forest due to some reason. After taking birth, he was thrown in the forest. Then automatically Rishi Munis, they find one baby there. Baby there. Some animal can eat up. They are going to bring in their ashram, going to arrange milk and everything. That boy grow up. That is Vrisaparva. Due to the association of Rishi Munis, because he was thrown in the forest. In Puran, different Puranas, the reason is there. Why? Somehow. Like the case of Surjaputta. Who? Surjaputta? The son of Surya? You forget. Huh? He was thrown. Kunti Devi going to throw. Karna. After taking bath, she was bound to throw. Situation was like this. Into water, then somehow somebody received that packet and saw one small boy floating in the water, took care, that was Karna. So, Vrisaparva got the association of Rishi Munis, Bali Maharaj got the association of Mahadev, Har 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 Mahadev, Bole Baba got the association, Vaishnavanam Jatha Sambhu. Bali Maharaj got the association of Prahlad Maharaj, Ban got the association of Mahadev, and Bali Maharaj got the association of Prahlad Maharaj, you know, Mayascha, Moy Danav. Bali Maharaj got the association of Prahlad Maharaj. Ban, the son of Bali Maharaj, he got the association of Mahadev. He used to do, Acha, Maya means Mayascha, Maidanam. Maidanam is a technician, engineer. Even more technology is there with Maidanam. Even Vishwakarma cannot do. Vishwakarma is the engineer of heaven. He can construct. Like Dwarakapuri, overnight, constructed by Vishwakarma. Dwarakapuri. All around water inside. Overnight. But Maidanam is very dangerous, very nice. More than. But he is demon. But those demon, that he was successful to get the association of Panchapandav while making the palace for Panchapandav. Not Hastinapur, Indraprastha. Is successful. Oh, so nice technology. So nice technology that even, that Duryodhan entering into the palace, he is watching, there is water. He is going to take up the cloth nicely. There is water. but there is no water. This kind of fallacy is one kind of technology. It seems there is water, but he was foolish. And when there is actual water, maybe there is no water. Maybe it's one kind of fallacy. He is going to walk and thumb into water. Then all Matajis, they are laughing. He was very angry. He was very angry by watching this. He thought it is not water. So I need not take my clothes. Going there and boom, fall into water. This way, this kind of technology, all crystal clear, everything, all nice technology. So this way, Moy Danav was successful to get the association. Vibhishan was successful to get the association of Lakshmana and other Sugriv Adi, Hanumanji Maharaj. Sugriv also, in course of his mission, successful to get the association. Lakshmanji, Hanumanji Maharaj, eternal servant. But it is one kind of, Hanumanji eternal. Hanumanji Maharaj got the association of Lakshmanji Maharaj. Niksho, Bhalu, beard, who is, beard. Who? That is a Bhalu. He is the incarnation of Brahma. So, Gajendra, he got the association of Naradji Maharaj previous life, you can remember. He was Indradumna Raja. He was successful to take lesson from Naradji Maharaj in a cave. You remember? This way, Gajo, Girdho means Gidraj, who? The Jatayu. Jatayu, he got the association of who? Of our Dasarathji Maharaj, Dasarath. And finally, when he was lying half dead, he met with Ramchandra Lakshman. Because Ravan cut one wing, he was fighting. Gidraj was fighting with Ravan up to his last moment. But he has no missile, only wing. But one wing was cut by Ravan. That's why fall down. And blood coming out, waiting to leave body, is waiting for Ramchandra Lakshman to come. Okay? And that Ramchandra taking the body of Jatayu, the friend of my father. Friendship was there between Jatayu and Dasarathji Maharaj. So Ramchandra going to give the same honor. Ramchandra going to give the same honor like father. He is a friend of father. Going to take the body of Gidaraj, Jatayu, and shedding tears like father gone. Ramchandra shedding tears continuously, with the tears rolling down and falling on the body of Gidaraj, Jatayu, as if Ramchandra making Abhishek. As if Ramchandra making Abhishek. How will Abhishek? After that, is crying heavily and taking the body in a crematorian gown, making one log, everything, wooden log, everything coming, and doing the same, like one son need to do in our Vedic culture, same thing doing. So, Geduraj, Bonik, there is in some Puran, there is a Bonik got the association of some sadhu. This way, he was also a businessman, successful. Vyad, you know, got the association of Naradji. He was a very cruel hunter, but finally he was converted into a great devotee, even not ready to kill one ant, right? So cruel, they used to kill all animals, day and night. Day and night he used to kill. Finally what happened? By the association of Naradji Maharaj, he was converted into a most merciful sadhu. Even at present he is not ready to kill one ant. Now you see. Kubja, you know, Kubja got the association of Naradji or other, This way, Kubja and inside Brajadam, some Gopikas are there. I am not speaking those who are eternally coming and going with Krishna. That is separate. Those who are getting the scope to become Gopikas, new, when Krishna coming, Krishna giving scope so that you can become, finally you can become Siddha with Gopikas. Those Sadhan Siddha Gopikas, we know there is different kind of Gopikas. In Noimish, in Dandakarana, there are some Rishi Munis, they, after looking Ramchandra, they wanted to embrace Ramchandra and kiss. But that was not possible. Ramchandra is now not possible. Nobody can touch me. Only my wife Sita Devi, divine consort, nobody else. Next life I can give you opportunity. Next time when I can come in the form of Krishna, Bahujana Vallabh. When I can come next time in the form of Krishna, then I can allow you to get this kind of scope. You can take birth in Brajadam, and after that you can again come. Then I can kiss, I can embrace, but not now. Follow. So, Kubja this way, and Braje Goppo, and the Jagya Patni, I also discussed about Jaggik Patni incident in Bhagavatam, long ago. How Jagya Patni, how they came out successful. So Jagya Patni means some Brahmins are there, high-level Brahmins. They are doing always Jagya, everything inside Brajadam. Follow. And those wives, their wives. Those Brahmins, their wives, they are very much interested to take darshan of Krishna. Whereas they have no idea where Krishna is staying here and there. Because they are housewives. They cannot violate the instruction of husband and go away. Husband always busy with jagga, this, that, they need to help. So they cannot go. So they are waiting for a long time with full patience. When to meet, how to meet. Very with full eagerness. Oh, this way. So this way, Jaggapatni, how they got the association of sadhu, how they were successful to reach the lotus feet of Krishna, but one very poor lady, she is selling flower and garland. Always going to forest and collecting flowers there and putting in packet and putting garland and flower, going to the city and selling, and very poor. But she had love for Krishna. While plucking flower, singing the glories of Krishna. Always. While taking flower, collecting flower, they are always singing the glories of Krishna. And by chance, that Jaggik Patnis, wives of this Jaggik Brahman, they are successful to hear the glories of Krishna. Who he is? By chance, by the association of that Malini, they were successful to know who is Krishna. In the infinity world, nobody there like Krishna, so attractive. They were very much interested to meet Krishna, but they are waiting. So, Jagya Patni, they also were successful. Now speaking, Vishwanath Chakravarti was writing so many things. Inside home, some gopikas, they were confined. They were not allowed by their husband or father or mother, somehow friend. Don't go. They lock the door. Don't allow them to go to meet with Krishna. They finally left Juhur Gunamayam Deham. Someday I can explain. They are separate gopikas. They left body and in fine body they already reached Krishna, to embrace Krishna. They left their body. So, this way, Yogyapatnas Tathapare. Now, main point is that te nadhita sutiganaha nupasita mahattamaha abrata tapta tapaso satsangyatmam upagataha. They never gone to Vedas, Vedanta, Sutigana. They never worshipped any highly elevated personality, Sadhu, Guru, Vaishnava. They never adopted any vrata, asceticism, penances, nothing. Only by the help of satsanga, they were successful to reach me. Kevalena hi bhavena goppo gabbo nigamiga je anya murodhiyo nagaha siddhya mam yur anjasa. Bhagavan speaking, only they, by the association of sadhu sangha, they developed unique Baba unto my lotus. And that Baba was responsible. That Baba was the reason for why they were allowed to reach me. Baba. Kevalam, Bhagavan says, only and only. Kevale nahi bhaveno. Only I wanted to give value to their, I yesterday told, na? Ramchandra going to appreciate the Baba of that squirrel. Even one poor Mataji is weak or very dirty, no matter. Bhagavan is ready to accept you because your Baba is okay. So, kevale nahi bhavena guppo gavo nigamiga. All those, deer, beasts and birds, all those who are foolish, they have no educational qualification, nothing. Je anne murodhiyo nagaha. Siddha mam. Murodhiyo, they all reach me. Even snake also. Nagaha siddhya mam yur anjasa. And even which is not possible by the help of jang, no yoge, no sankhya, no dano, bratos, tapo, adharair, vyakya, sadhayo, sannyasvair, prapnuyad, yatnyad, opi. God speaking, yam, what is not allowed even by observing yoga, following yoga, sankhya, donation, ascetian penances, or vow, or explanation of Shastra, or even by sannyas. Somebody cannot get, which was allowed to them. Kevale nahi bhavena, kevale nahi bhavena, goppo gavo nigaha, onne murodhiyo nagaha, siddhya mam iur anjasa, yang no yogena, sankhyena dana bratos tapad dharair, vyakya saddhayo sannasoi, prapniyad, jatnavan opi. With great care, playing, but still they cannot get. Vancha kalpaturusya. So, Nam Sankirtanam Yassu Sarva Papa Punasanam Pranama Duksha Samanam Tang Namami Harim Param Vancha kalpaturusya ki basindhi patitanang pavana vaishnavyo.